Hi, very good morning to everyone. Right, welcome to C2TA. Okay, so C2TA, the abbreviation is Change Test Automation. Okay, so as a company, we generally focus on test automation, automation of various automation testing tools in the current market, like Selenium, Rest Assured, APM, JMeter, Load Runner, UFT, okay, and all the DevOps tools, database testing, right? So we focus on wide range of tools, right, as a part of our company, and we do testing, training course, and framework development, and we support in projects. Okay, so that is a part of a plan. Okay, so we help a lot of experience and fresh graduates who want to be a part of us and train them and right. So you can visit our site c2ta.co.in. Okay, so site you can visit us. Okay, so basically we are just focusing on one framework. So we will C2TA integrated framework. Okay, so basically in the C2TA integrated framework, we mainly focus on Selenium. Okay, we planned or thought of building one integrated framework for multiple tools and multiple applications. So that is a part of our plan. Okay, so first, we slowly started to Selenium. We created all the framework, complete end-to-end framework of Selenium. Then we are going to plan implement the same framework, Rest Assured and APM. Okay, both Android and iOS. Right, we are planning to, and Rest Assured we are going to do. And so this framework will consist of BDD Cucumber, page out model, TestNG, Cucumber, data-driven framework for, and for data-driven framework we use Excel sheet, and we do reporting, we capture screenshots. So as a part, what is the current world, current industry standard, we thought of building one framework. And this framework, in the same framework, we are testing with four different applications. You can shortly see the code, and you can see four different applications we just automate, and we have created a big right Selenium reusable function. So that is a part of plan. So now currently you can see the Selenium framework. Maybe after 2 weeks we can give another demo, for Rest Assured and APM. Slowly you can do. Now we'll go to IntelliJ, and you can see the current framework, which we have done. So this is has a package, right? This is a complete end-to-end framework which we developed. Okay. So if you see the project name we created as C2TA framework, it's a Maven project. Hope you all know what is Maven, where we can download dependency from the repository. Okay. So straightly we go to pom.xml. Can we go to the pom.xml? Okay, so we'll go to the pom.xml. We create a Maven project. We added all the dependencies, Cucumber dependencies, and TestNG, WebDriver Manager dependency, have an extend report dependency, Cucumber dependency, Selenium dependency, Slowly we are going to plan, add Rest Assured and APN dependency, and we added a TestNG.xml file, plugins and all. We added this dependency. Okay, let's go to the framework structure. Let's understand the framework. Okay. So first, we created one automation, folder, and there we had config package. In the config, we had two class. One is application config, and next one is Selenium config. Can we go to the application config? Just application config is just an read and write, right? So it is used to get the property right from the config, config.property, and set the property, and then it is used to get the environment, like for example, Sisters environment and UAT environment, which is going to get the property from the Sisters, yeah, config, so that's why we added the read property and set property. And this, you can, if you need support, you can ask us, we'll give you we can show you a demo. You can ping us, you can call us, you can get a detailed view of the framework. I'm just showing a demo here. So if you want this more, you can contact us. Okay. Second one is Selenium config. Can you go to Selenium config, where we have Selenium config file, where the path of the config.property. Okay, and we created for get explicit get property. We got the application config and also the cell name config, right, in this framework. Next one is if you go to lib, I'm not going in detail. If you just need, right, you can contact us, right? We can show you a demo, right? Right, you can see the pages, right? Everything if you want, you can contact us. Okay, you're gonna go to the browser factory. Browser factory, we added, right, code for launch application with, right, different browsers, Chrome browser, right, Firefox browser, right, and right, close app, open app, right, getting the URL from config file, what URL, what environment, right. So we used to get from the, so we added a simple, right, a browser factory where we can test with the, right, multiple browsers. Okay, so right, we added this code for launching the application through browser. This is a common, right, class vision we can use for multiple pages and multiple applications which can be used. Okay, so this framework. Okay, next one is we'll go for cell name lib. We have a big package, right? We had a lot of right methods, right, inbuilt methods from the scratch. For example, from switch to frames to alerts, right, action class, windows, right, wait, implicit wait, explicit wait, fluent wait, a drop down, right. So we added a lot of code here. Okay, right, for handling a drop down, right. We had a screenshot, right. We added a lot of, right, reusable methods. Still we are adding, right, still, but we put a lot of effort in adding this, right, a big, right, cell name frame, get element, enter by text, select by text, enter, get URL, navigate to URL. So we have added a lot of, right, methods in this particular class. Okay. Next, can we go to util? I'm just giving an sample, right? Can you go to util? Go above and the util package, SRC main Java. We have daytime util. Okay, so for the capturing the timestamp in the right Excel report, Excel utility, where you can read and write data. Okay, so that we have, right. Then we have log utils. Okay, so right, for logger, right, right, getting that, reading the time, right, passing that in the right Excel report, right, in the screenshot, right, capturing error and passing, right. We added this and we added hooks pages also. Can you go to the hooks? No, hooks we added, right, before method, after method, right, adding, capturing a screenshot in the extent report and giving the path and cleaning that. So everything we added. Okay, next we'll do directly to SRC test Java, and we have resources config properties where we keep the right explicit wait here. Okay, and we will go to the, this are all SRC main Java. Then we have pages class, right. We have 4 applications, right. We did create pages for 4 applications. One is jQuery UI, next one is Orange SRM, Test Leaf, okay, and Travel Management, our 1% application. For 4 different applications, right, we created pages, right, and we created test step definition also, and we created feature files. For one application, we have pages and step definition. For the other applications, we have pages, photos, and step definition. Like that, we created different runner class for each pages also. Okay, so this framework we are automating 4 different applications. All right, slowly we'll be adding REST assured and right APM also in this particular framework. So it's going to be a very big, massive framework in next 1 month. That is what is our plan. Okay, next one is right. So this are all pages and runner class. We have right extend report where extend property file, extend -config for right supporting the extend report. What kind of report you want? Okay. Next, this is a feature file. Can we go to any one feature file, please? Right, jQuery, right? Feature file, open one feature file. We created feature files, right? Scenario outline, background we have written, right? So we create feature file each and every application for different modules. We have created a feature file. If you open the feature, can you open all the feature files? Please for Orange HRM, Test Leaf, right? Travel management, right? We have right created a multiple feature files here that we are going to run with the runner class. Okay. Next one is right. Can you close all this in photo application properties? Okay. This is right application property, right, where we passing your environment, sys SIT or UAT, right, SIT URL, right, application URL, test data, Excel sheet, right, path of the Excel sheet, right, and URL mostly passed. Okay. Now I'll just give a simple demo of running the code actually. Can you go to runner class? Okay. Can you run the code, please? Right, this is a runner class where we have cucumber options, feature, glue, like plugins. I'm not just right. I'm just giving an overview. I'm not right. Basically, I'm not right explaining step by step. that takes a lot of time, right? So I'm just giving an right general picture about what we do. Okay, that is an overall idea behind that. If I want to teach small one by one, it takes a lot of time. Just giving an overview. If you need any support, right, you can come back to us. Okay, you can call. We have our own site, right? You can come back to us. Okay, this is how, right? We automated this jQuery, and same we executed this RHRM application, test leaf, and travel management. We executed 4 sales. We have extend report also. Can you go to the extend report? Okay, so we have this extend report also, right? It captures all the logs, the timestamp, screenshots also will be captured here, right? So we have right screenshot captured here also. Okay, can you go to the screenshot folder and show the first screenshots? Okay, we have screenshots also. Okay, so right, slowly next video you'll see how to run this through pipeline. Okay, so we will show a demo, right, how to run through pipeline also. Okay, so we already pushed this code, right? We are maintaining in right Bitbucket. So next video, right, we'll see, right? So this is a framework. Shortly, right, in 2 weeks time, next week we are planning to write in Trust Assure and the APM also. Can you go to Google? Can you go to Google? Google.com. So write google.com. You can go to c2taco.in. Can you go to the site c2taco.in? Can you give me the address bar, please? Yeah, c2taco.in. c2ta.co.in. c2ta.co.in. Dot in. Yeah, in. No, you're giving a wrong site. Right, co.in. In, not in. Can you click it? Enter it. Just click it, co.in, right? Can you see, right? You can go to the site, right? Can you go and give again? And can you go to the courses? Can you go to this is our site. Already, right, I have created a lot of materials. I've added a lot of materials, interview questions, right? Already I have one, right, one courses for frameworks. But this is a very big framework, which I'm shortly, right? I'll be adding this framework in the top first one. Like now I don't, now can you go to the C2T hybrid framework, right? In the left side, we have one framework, right? I'll be adding shortly. Till now, I didn't add. So in maybe next week, I'm going to add this complete framework, including REST, Assure, DP connection, APM also I'm planning to add. So you can get this framework, right, if you need, and you can contact us. There is a number. Can you go to the contacts us page, and you can see in the top left also, you can see the number, right? If you need any support, right, you can contact this number. Okay. Thank you guys. All right. Have a great day.